Hi everyone, this is Kiyo Vlogs, the Philippine reactor beast, King of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video, ang Barda compilation, because why not? So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ay, bagong gawa to, oh. Ay, ganun pa talaga dapat, Mel? Ay, tarat, atake. Hala, ang lamig ngayon. I see Rob. Si Rob. Okay. Si Lawson naman pala for today's video. Oh, itsura ni David. Ang baby pa ni David dito. Super baby niya pa dito, I swear. Okay. Ay. Wait lang. Wait. Translation. Do me a favor. Distance, my friend. My love is Miss Barbie Fortesa. Understand? Okay. Distansya. Ito si Miss Sally. Magaling din doon. Gets niyo ba? Gets niyo, B? Okay. Gets niyo ba? Distansya ang higa. Puro pa bola. May amores. Ang bilis lang. Ang bilis lang talaga. Okay. Ay. Okay. Give me more. Ay. Okay, what's next? Ay, ganun ba talaga dapat, Mel? Just, kung jowa talaga, hindi ka lalayuan. Ba't dito lumalayo si D kay A? Ba't hindi man lang inakbayan ni D si A, di ba? Okay, kung sa Taiwan, ganito yung hawak niya kay A. Ayan, nandidebunk na sila. Ang gagaling talaga ng mga barda natin. Charis. Bahala kayo dyan, nagre-react lang ako. Charis. Basta ako nagre-react lang, mami, ha? Oh, basta ako nagre-react lang ako. Wala akong ginagawang masama. Ay! Ano to, ma'am? BTS o maging sino ka man, Barda. Okay. Okay. Just happy Barda Day. Ay! Sa Barda Day talaga tayo na si Teacher Pring maganda din to gumawa ng edits eh. Kaso copyright lang talaga ang mga kanta. Ang hirap kasi mag-edit pag copyright. You know what I mean? Wala. Andyan si... Excited na akong lumipat sa Facebook kasi for sure marami to sa Facebook. Happy Sunday everyone! Okay. Ay, ano ba talaga dapat, ma'am? Diyos ko, David. Gwapo talaga ni David. Si Shy Guy. Wait lang, alam mo. Ay!
And I lost you when I was loving you the most.
Ay!
Isn't it cruel how life gives you something you never asked for, only to take it when you
Bakit naman
finally
ganito,
can't
Mi?
live
Ba't parang ang
without it?
lungkot naman nito, Mi?
I wasn't ready when you came.
Parang ang
But I
lungkot
was
naman nito,
begging you to
Mi.
stay when you left. And now I carry your absence louder than I ever carried your presence. Some people arrive as accidents, but they're leaving. That's what leaves the scar. I replay every moment, wondering if I could have loved you better, held you tighter, or made you stay. But some stories are written to end, even if the heart refuses to turn the last page. You'll always be my favorite.
You always
Almost
be
the
my
one I met
favorite.
too soon and lost too painfully. But in this one, I can only love you from a distance, in memories, in
Parang ang
dreams,
lungkot naman itong Mi.
in all the places you no longer
Ayoko nitong Mi.
exist.
Wow, arte. Arte naman pala. Ay. Ano to? So it's just something hits Chicago. This far different from what we saw in the past month. Actually, so beautiful to see two souls. Ay, punang araw. Binibining Anonymous, kamusta ka na? Tingnan natin yung mga repost si Binibining Anonymous. Baka may mga, ay wala. Ay, to. Ay, ongoing pa din si Binibining Anonymous actually. Ongoing pa din siya. Ay, ano to?
And I have been together for almost 6 years. But gusto niyang i-prioritize yung family niya with me on the side lang muna. On the side.
Ay,
Mashed
hindi ka
potato, okay.
Hindi ka priority. Charis. Ay, si Ginoo. Hello. Hello, Ginoo. Ginoo, baka naman. Charis.
Shit, si David Licaco to ah. Hello po? Hello po? Si David Licaco po kayo?
Ano po?
David Licaco po kayo?
Oo naman, bakit?
Parang nagbago po yung hair nyo ah.
Oo, nagpagupit lang.
Nagpagupit
Bagay po sa
lang.
inyo? Kaya na po kayo na-inspire? Kaya na po kayo na-inspire?
Kay BTS.
BTS po?
Pupunta ako ng Korean.
Sige po, salamat po.
Okay. Gwapo ni David.
Well, syempre, lagi naman magaling si Barbie doon.
Si Barbie.
Congratulations, Barbie.
Barbie? Iba talaga, no? Iba talaga siya mag-emphasize. Barbie? Totoo ba?
Diba? So, natin, I love Barbie. Sigaw na.
I love Barbie. Dinamay mo pa kami sa pagka-I love Barbie mo dyan. Ikaw na naman yung Gina G. Dinamay mo pa kami, David.
Medyo
Di
red
ba, Mi? Dinamay pa tayo talaga ni David. Eh, siya lang din naman tong Gina G sa I love Barbie. Nang damay ka pa. Di ba?
Medyo. And
Diba?
nagsisilbing panganay kapag wala yung kuya. Dumadami yung casting. Ngayon, hindi ko maalala lahat yan. When I asked him kung ano ang plans and goals niya for the next 5 to 10 years, yung mga sagot niya ay all for his family. I asked
All for
him
his
kung
family.
nasaan yung plan niya sa sarili niya. Ay, ayun na nga. Inside those 13 years, where was I? Sabi. And nasaan ako sa plano niya? I was really hurt kasi yung itsura niya parang, wait, kasama ka pala, nakalimutan ko. I, 30, female, and my BF are in a relationship for 10 years. And
10
still,
years.
with no ring. Ay, naku, patay tayo dyan.
Anyways, that is our for today's video. Our Barda compilation. This is Kiki Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!